Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss regarding the phone called Redmi 9i. So we'll be discussing features and unboxing the Redmi 9i phone. So here we open the phone box here. So we have the phone of Redmi 9 of a black color. So that is of 4GB RAM and 64GB variant storage. So I am opening the box here. So it has come from placed an order from mi.com itself. So they have delivered within 2 days with the intact packaging. So right now I'm opening the seal here. So the seal was completely intact, so nothing was opened, nothing was tampered here. So delivery was very smooth and it was very soon. So right now I've opened the phone. So box I can see inside that. So there is a phone inside here. So let's see it, and I will keep it, we'll see it later, so we'll keep it aside. So we have here a manual, so we'll see it and we'll keep it aside and we'll check it later. So there is an SIM eject tool inside. Okay, we'll keep it aside. And there is an charger. So okay, so this charger is very good, and you can see it. So power adapter is 5 watt and 2A. So the cable is not C type cable, normal cable we have in here. Okay, so we are now come to the phone. So phone is very built is very good and very strong. So here you can see Redmi is written in the side. So there is a camera over there which is of 13MP rear camera, and there is no IR blaster here. We have a jack, headphone jacks, speakers we have here in the side, and you can see the phone here. Okay, so just look at it. So there is no fingerprint touch sensor in this phone here. Okay, the phone is awesome. So being built is very good. The buttons are very awesome, and we can see the power button and the volume buttons over there. Yeah, and there is a charging port and speaker, mic, and there is a jack. So that's about the phone, and I wish like you have all the features of the phone. So the phone feature which we have, there is a two variants in the phone. There is a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and one more variant is 6GB RAM, and so it also comes with the other variant of 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. And the screen size of this phone is of 16.58 cm, 6.53 big HD plus IPS display in here, which is clear. And so the battery backup which is coming the range of 5000 mAh here, like 162 hours of music you can play it, and 31 hours of calls, 225 hours of videos you can watch, and 11 hours of gaming, which can be very useful for this phone. And the most long lasting battery which is provided by the MIUI. So we have MIUI as a 12 here, which is already preloaded new version. I can say this is the best budget phone where you people are looking for within a 10,000 range. And if you have liked this video, please click on the bell icon and subscribe the page, and thank you for watching. Bye.